everybody, it's Tasha here. I am here today with my Ice Cream Beauty unboxing for the month of May. So we are going to jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. Unboxings, try-ons, reviews. Unfortunately, I did have surgery recently, which is why you don't see me in the video. I have one more week of no makeup wearing, and then I will be back in the videos and trying things as normal. So let's go ahead and jump into this box. So for Ice Cream Beauty, the theme for this month is Spring Flowers. April showers bring May flowers. And we're going to jump into this very first thing. It is a very coral looking Stina Face Velvet Dream Stick. And so this is $15 retail value. It says this is not your ordinary matte lipstick. This densely pigmented formula not only gives unbeatable color payoff that lasts, but also leaves your lips comfortable and hydrated. Well, that's interesting. This formula looks amazing and cloud soft, worn alone, or can be worn under your favorite gloss and still won't lose any of its dreamy glow. Let's see if we can open this up real quick. I love the packaging. I think this, oh wow, that's beautiful too. I love that coral color mixed with that gold. I think it is stunning. And let's check out beautiful dusty pink mauve color. We're going to go ahead and swatch it. And that is extremely creamy and beautiful. I actually really like that. It does come off a little more fake pinky than normal. Yeah, I don't know what I think about that. So I definitely am excited to try that. Love the packaging, love the idea of it being hydrating. So definitely a cool, good first product. The next product that I have here is the My Couture Blush Paper. And so these are blush sheets, retail value $18. And so basically this is a tear off sheet in a booklet. You will gently rub the colored side of the paper on your face and it will give you blush in paper. So it's kind of travel friendly. There are 18 sheets in here. Let's go ahead and open it up so you can see the color. And it is a really pretty color. It does have some sheen to it right there. I don't want to waste a whole sheet, but let's go ahead and check out the color here. I think we should be able to tear off partial of it instead of the whole thing. And you're just going to rub it in a circular motion like that. I do think sometimes sheets are a little harder to work with. And then once you get the color on, you can certainly blend it out with your blush or your finger. There is quite a bit of product on these sheets, so I don't feel like you would need a full one for your face. It does come off better if you go in a circular motion because that kind of rubs it. I will warn you though, it will get all over your application hand if you're using your hands to apply. So just keep that in mind. It is nice for travel. I'm not the biggest fan of sheet products though because it does tend to be a little messy in my opinion, or maybe I'm a little messy and so it's messy. But that is that next product. I do like it. It looks very couture, very expensive. That color is a very dark peachy coral and there is a little bit of a sheen to it. So I don't mind that. That's pretty. The next product in here is the Queen Glam Mascara by Rumi May. And so, other than that, it doesn't say much on it. It does have a nice perforated thank you tear. I wish everyone would do that if they're going to encase it in plastic. So much easier to get off. Although there's so much packaging on stuff. Let's open this up and see what this bottle looks like. And that is a very big pink tube. I have no idea what this, oh that's interesting, I thought that whole thing came off there, but it's just that top portion. The brush is a bristle brush. It is not very thick and it is kind of square shaped versus round, if that makes any sense. It doesn't say much about what it will do as a mascara on here. It just has the ingredients, so I'm not quite sure. but we'll certainly try that. So that is the Ruby May mascara, and it is $17 retail value. The next thing in here is the Freematic Bronzer by Dolce, and this is $40. These tend to be a little more expensive. The packaging seems to be a little more higher scale, if that makes sense. So you see that nice hard packaging. It has that silver embellished, wow, my brain. Yeah, you know what I mean. And there is that bronzer. It is in the color Golden Hour. I am going to take this finger and swatch it because it is not a finger that has blush on it, and we're going to put it right there. That is actually beautiful. It is nice and creamy. It is a perfect color for me because I am so fair. It does just kind of a little warm, but not bad. It does come with a brush, which I wish everyone would just keep these brushes. But nice packaging. It does have a nice big mirror in there as well. I won't blind you guys, but $40 for this seems to be a little pricey in my opinion. But it is a nice mascara. So there we go. I mean, bronzer. So there we go. Next product we have in here is Shades of Roses by Bella or Bella Cosmetics. It is a shadow palette. We don't have much on the way of the back. On the front there is a mirror. I try not to blind you guys a whole lot, and it is kind of a cool little mirror. You can see that it is shaped all the way around, and those are the colors in there, which are gorgeous. This looks like a pure glitter. There are some metallics in here, and there are some matte shades. So I'm going to use my little finger here. I always go for the purples because they're hard ones to do. I want to see what it looks like, and let's go ahead and swatch it. And that is beautiful, although it is a little patchy. I'm not sure what it will be like when you blend it out, but that is a stunning dark purple. I am going to go ahead and use this finger, and I don't know if you can tell, but some of those are embossed with roses. So like this is embossed, that one is, as well as that one. We're going to go ahead and pick up this color right here, which is all metallic. You would, oh wow, that is stunning. It is very, very soft. I've already made a big dent in that. You would definitely need a glitter glue if you're going to use this. I am going to swatch it though. That is stunning. That is foiled, amazingly foiled and beautiful. Definitely need a glitter glue though. If I go over it more than once, I am picking up some of that glitter, so that glitter glue would definitely help make it stay, but that is stunning. Sorry, I don't have it all the way in. And then I am actually going to wipe off this finger right here. And then I'm going to try this one. It looks like somebody's fingernail went in it, probably mine. Let's go ahead and swatch that color right down there, and we're going to swatch it right on my arm, and that is beautiful as well. So very cool, interesting shade selections in here. I am very excited to try this. And the Shades of Roses palette is $12. The very last product in here at the very, very bottom, as I get rid of all of those things, M for May, O, I don't have any idea, and these are just extra random bits. I hate having all these packing peanuts, but that's just my opinion. The next thing we have in here is the Beauty Creation 7-piece brush set. Retail value is $20. It does come with its own carrying case, and it is also encased in plastic on top of plastic on top of plastic. So let's see if I can get into this. Get rid of that. So here is, it is like that, it's not filled with water, but you know in school where you'd have those things that'll like move around, that is that kind of glitter that's loose in there. It does feel just a tiny bit greasy because of that. And so here are the brushes. They do have water inside of them with the glitter that will move. And the brushes are okay. They're definitely a drugstore brand brush. It is soft. I wouldn't say it's amazing quality, but it is nice. I would worry that some of this stuff is going to leak, so I don't know that I would take this with you anywhere, but it does have a nice, two nice big blender brushes, a very big blender eyeshadow, a flat brush, and a very pointed brush for that inside, as well as a liner and the fan. So there you go. That is my box of Eyescream Beauty for the month of May. It is beautifully themed with those Mayflower ideas. I do like all of the colors in it. I think that's beautiful. Very May-ish. What did you guys think about the box for this month? Did you love it? Has anyone else gotten it and tried any of these products that they're in love with? Drop me a line and let me know what you thought. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.